Kind of slipped. Ooh. Coming out very nicely. First you drill it. If it doesn't spin, use the claw of your claw hammer.
Yeah.
But this one is an easy boy. Almost. Trying to get to this place without something to climb up. Let's climb on here and here. And climb back up here. And you're up.
Okay.
And we already started taking it apart, so
Yeah, let
we have
me.
this destroyed. And all the walls destroyed. And maybe this and a few other parts. Now okay, that head is destroyed. The head's destroyed. The longer a screw takes to come out, the hotter it will be. So, just giving you a reminder. If you don't have this claw hammer, it's literally called a claw hammer, because the back part's called a claw. You could use something to maybe whack the screw out. But if it's not coming out with that, put it back in place. Start drilling. Aha! That's one out of the two screws over here, but this other screw is completely destroyed. Oh, no, it wasn't destroyed. It just didn't find the hole. Okay. Let me catch it. This. Wow. Okay. Now. Okay, that screws out. That's the two screws over here. Done. Now, the two screws in the middle. So, as you can see, I'm really good with tools. But this drill is really hard to work.
Remember to press it on the screw. There we go.
It was just not coming out.
All right.
What is it again?
What? Motor skills?
No.
What? Moto?
Oh, emotional support is my mom. She's right now holding the phone, which is recording me do this. So, just saying, I will give you a reminder that she's here. She will be holding the phone in all my videos. the gaming ones. She installed an app on the computer for that. I might need to do this, but this guy is not wanting to come.
Well, try and bang the board next to the screw. Bang the board with a hammer. Where the screw is. Where the screw is. There we go.
Okay. And then I drill. Ah, nice. It's coming out.
See?
Finally. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thanks, screw, for coming out. Now let me yeet this down. It's right there. Just saying.
Alright, keep working and we'll be back later to see where the work is, how it's going. Okay?
Okay. Welcome back to taking apart the old playground I had. If you've seen, I have taken apart some without showing you, some on off camera. So that's that. Mom! This drill really doesn't want to work. Thanks, Mommy,
You're
for
welcome.
being my mortal support. I finally
Other side,
Finally,
other side, you're closing.
actually remembered the word. Ow.
Emotional support. You okay?
And I meant
Oh,
whoopsies.
so show us how to fix that when it goes in.
And it goes in like that. Do this. You can't take the drill bit out. Also, this looks like a face, doesn't it? Tell me.
Yes.
Tell me in the comment section. Does this look like a face to you? Because it does to me. And it looks pretty funny. Looks like he has 3 teeth. When you look into the drill bit hole, it looks like he has 3 teeth and a face. That is just so weird. That this drill, also known as an electric screwdriver, has a face. There, back. Oh, okay.
Did you close it well?
Yeah, tight.
Alright. Oh,
Are you kidding?
alright.
Back on. Back onto this.
Alright.
My mortal support actually helped. Took out the screw for me. That's nice.
Hi guys.
That's her.
Remember, apply. There we go. Apply weight on the drill.
But not too much weight.
Not too much weight.
Or else the drill bit goes in. That's what you saw right there. The bit going in. Is it out? Okay, it is.
Miss. Next.
Next is this. And I can tell you, this is gonna be a ninja obstacle course. We're gonna have a timer to see who's the fastest to complete this obstacle
Yeah.
course.
Once we're done taking that apart, we can start working on making an obstacle course.
And it's gonna be a ninja obstacle course.
We'll try.
My mortal sport actually came up with that idea. The ninja part is just a timer to see who's the fastest at the completing the obstacle course.
Yeah.
And I already thought
We
of
will-
a cool name for it.
We will
The
upload
obstacle course
videos.
of doom.
Yeah, and we will upload videos,
Update.
update on how the building is going.
Okay. Getting pretty good. Getting almost lifted. Oh, I thought it went in.
No,
No,
no.
it didn't. Okay. Because it went like this.
Yeah.
You couldn't see the drill bit. But you guys could. So, tell me if
All right.
comments if I was wrong. Oh, yep.
You hit the board.
Down. Oh, there it goes. Now, I've been waiting for you, Pink. Have I told you that the puffy blue one that I already took off with my mortal support actually was my worst enemy in building? I mean, disassembling. Tell me in the comments if you know that. If you knew that.
You're closing.
Oh, sorry. Sorry, mister. Now, where did I put that hammer?
Next to the bucket.
I'm kidding. Okay, I got it. I like this because then I can just climb with the hammer.
Also, guys,
I mean, right now using a claw hammer.
yeah.
I don't have to use a claw hammer. You can use whatever hammer to bang it out of place.
Can I
I'm using a claw hammer.
can I tell some news that you don't know either? October 8th, we're gonna go to a pumpkin patch.
I knew that.
We're gonna do some games and ride some rides, and we
Yeah.
will upload a video from the pumpkin patch in Colorado Springs,
Yeah.
Colorado.
I'm a pirate with a very long hook.
All right, we will be back for the next part.
So this is the last part of the taking apart section. We're gonna move this over between those two trees. Yeah, and we'll keep updating you when we're building it. Don't forget to like and subscribe for any of you that didn't watch it. Don't forget.
All right, bye guys.
Bye-bye.
See you next video.